Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here to share with you my first kit and caboodle crafting project. This is where I have gathered all of the kits that I have purchased throughout the years and have absolutely done nothing with. So I am taking them out and creating with the kits. The kits had specific projects attached to them, but of course, you know, when you get kits, you do whatever you want to with them, but I'm trying to kind of stick within the guidelines of what was given when I initially bought it. The one that you are about to see was purchased in 2011. So I would say that that's a little overdue, and it was time for me to create with it. So let's jump right in and see what I used. With this particular kit, I chose not to use anything else from my stash. I only wanted to use what was sent with the kit, and that is what I did. So the only other things I used was my crocodile and also my distress ink. And what I wanted to show you were the papers that I had left, the scraps that I had left from what I crafted with, which I thought was pretty good. I will insert a photo here so that you can see what was in the kit. Okay, now this kit was for a mini album, and here it is. Ta-da! I have not specified what I'm going to use it for, so I have not added any sentiments throughout the album until I really decide what I want to do. But this is what I created using that kit. And I think it turned out so cute. Okay, this is a paper bag mini, and each bag has a tag in it. They're all alike, just different colors. So that is one of them. Let's see if we can let's put this to the side. I will get it back in there later. So I used the twine that came with it. This is a button. And this was the pattern paper that was included. The rings were included. This is the second page. And what I did with each bag was created a pocket. So you can see, you can put memorabilia or anything in here. I was kind of thinking of a travel mini for this one. It had the doilies. I just cut one of them apart. This one I left for a complete photo. Most of them will use small photos. This is the next page with a full doily. I added some of the buttons, another pocket. And for those of you that may be new to crafting, when you're doing your pockets with your paper bags, make sure when you seal this side down that you use liquid glue. I had a tendency initially to want to use a strong double-sided tape, and that's all well and good. It did hold it. However, when you put things down in there, it's a possibility that they could get stuck. So you don't want to do that. You just want to use liquid glue and give it time to adhere, and you're good to go. All right, this is the next page. This is the twill tape that she included. So I just put one there. And these paper bags are pretty roomy. Pretty roomy. You saw the tag, how that fit down in there. So you can get quite a bit of stuff down in here. This one, this paper does not go here. I just showed you here that I did do the pocket, but I also left this side open as well. So you can put something there. Okay. So that goes with the scrap pile. This is the next page. And this is the next page. I just cut this off of one of the pattern pieces of paper. That's the other part of that doily. This one should have, the photo will sit like this. I didn't want to include a mat because again, I was only using what was included paper-wise, and I really didn't see a pattern that I wanted to put on here for the mat, so I'll work that out. And that is that. It was 5 paper bags. Here's your other pocket in the back. All of the tags, all of this came just like this. So all I had to do was insert them. And I think this turned out super, super cute. And of course, when you want to do something on camera, okay, here we go. Put your tag back in. See how easy it slides in? Okay, now. Really? Really? Okay. That's because I had part in the front and part in the back. So there we go. All right. So that is my mini project number 1. I will be creating a playlist with the videos included in the playlist. The first one will be the introduction, showing you the kits that I had and talking about what the series is about. And I will be creating projects for this series on the 1st and 3rd Wednesday of each month. So make sure you stay tuned. More to come. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy crafting, everyone.